Welcome back to my channel Books, Coffee and More. In this episode, I'll give you a brief review of the book Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. It comes under genre fiction and my personal ratings for this book is 5 stars out of 5. Wuthering Heights tells a story of love and passion of Heathcliff for Catherine Earnshaw. Story starts with Mr. Lockwood, a tenant of Heathcliff's, visiting the home of his landlord. After a few days, a supernatural encounter increases Lockwood's curiosity of the place and its story. Back at Thrushcross Grange, recovering from his illness, Lockwood asks Nellie Dean, a servant of Thrushcross Grange, to tell him the story of his Heathcliff. Nellie narrates the main plotline of the Wuthering Heights. Heathcliff is an orphan adopted by Mr. Earnshaw, and he treats him like his own son. Catherine, daughter of Earnshaw, becomes his friend and they both grow together inseparable. After Mr. Earnshaw's death, Heathcliff is mistreated by Hindley, Catherine's brother. But things take a drastic turn after they encounter the Lintons. Edgar and Isabella Linton live at Thrushcross Grange and soon become friends of Catherine. Catherine soon spends most of her time with Edgar, ignoring Heathcliff, and accepts Edgar's proposal of marrying him even though she loves Heathcliff. With broken heart, Heathcliff leaves Wuthering Heights only to return wealthy after 3 years to take revenge on Hindley and Edgar. He starts living with his enemy Hindley, and his son Hareton at Wuthering Heights gets married to Isabella and tortures her. Soon after Heathcliff's marriage, Catherine gives birth to Edgar's daughter Cathy and dies. Heathcliff vows to take revenge on Edgar and Hindley and doesn't care who he hurts in this process. He wants to gain control of Wuthering Heights and Thrushcross Grange and to destroy everything Edgar Linton holds dear. Heathcliff waited for 17 years to get revenge, and finally he forces Cathy to marry his son Linton. Now he has control of the Heights, and after Edgar's death he gained control of the Thrushcross Grange as well. And at the end, the ghost of Catherine haunts Heathcliff and he wants to be reunited with her. Later, with Linton's death, Catherine falls in love with Hareton and they plan to get married. This story makes you experience a lot of emotions: love, angry, sad, betrayal, and more. The dark nature of Heathcliff, to the extent of imprisoning a minor girl and forcing her into marrying his son, is unimaginable. This is a story of love, revenge, trust, and betrayal. I truly enjoyed reading this book and it kept me hooked until the end, so much that you can't stop reading. And I felt very satisfied with the ending. This is a must read for everyone. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the episode, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. If you want to read the written review, I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'll be back with another great book soon. Until then, keep reading. Goodbye.